Knock knock.
Who's there?
Tank.
Tank who?
Welcome.
Uh, are you comedy me?
Okay, so now let's start. 1, 2, 3. Welcome
Back.
to
The
Blah Podcast, episode 3.
Presenting to you segment 1.
Hi.
Yes.
So I was just wondering, if you had a chance to learn any other language, then you already know, which one would it be?
Oh, French. Classic, right?
French.
Yeah.
I would learn parcel tongue.
Cool.
Really cool.
Yeah.
I know. So that I could go down to the Chamber of Secret.
Yeah.
French.
Yeah, French.
Why achanak French?
I just watched Emily in Paris and I was like, oh my god, I want to learn French. Actually it was before that, but like Emily in Paris has kind of-
Enhanced.
Yeah, enhanced.
How is Emily in Paris? I've watched it too.
Yeah.
It was like, for me it was okay.
Yeah, like okay.
Like it wasn't like too great and it wasn't boring either.
Same. Because
Also very short.
Right? Yeah. Season 2 is coming.
Huh? When?
Yeah, I don't know, but it's coming.
So, like, do you want to go to Paris when you grow up?
Of course. Like I had, and my cousin had like all planned up. Because most of my cousins want to go. Like,
To Paris?
yeah.
So there you're going to start your family house.
What? No.
I mean, you all cousins almost want to go to Paris, and then you are all going to go together to stay there forever.
No, like not forever, just for like trips and like,
Oh, trip.
yeah, trip.
I was just like wondering, now that you say like Paris and all, if you had to settle like forever in one country other than the one we are living in.
Yeah. New York, I guess. Like, yeah.
New York City.
City.
I asked country.
I don't know.
You do USA, right?
Oh, like country. Oh, I thought.
You thought like the countryside?
Yeah.
No, not countryside. Not like that. So you would specifically want to live in New York City.
Yeah.
Oh. I would like being in. Yeah, New York is New York is great, but also I would like being in Australia.
It's kind of like
Australia is good.
exotic country.
No.
Oh yeah, Australia.
What's your geography? Who's
Okay.
your geography teacher? Huh? It's not that. It's not Hawaii,
Yeah.
and Hawaii is not a country, but still.
Hawaii.
One place I don't wish to go is blah.
What? Which?
No, I just beeped it out. I mean, why would you
Blah.
want to start a controversy?
You asked the question. Sorry.
Yeah, still. Yeah, okay. Why New York?
Because it's like Friends. Like Friends.
Friends, the show which is on Netflix.
Yes.
The irony over here is that our previous episode of podcast was nomophobia.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
in which we told how like phone addiction is bad, and now here we are talking about Netflix shows. But like one episode a day isn't going to harm you.
Yeah. 2 is okay.
2 is okay. Who's your favorite Friends character?
Like why?
Rachel.
Why? Yeah, Rachel. It's Chandler, right?
Monica, Chandler. I like all of them.
Yeah. Don't ask a Friends fan whom do you like the most.
But you answered anyways. How
You
does it
said
matter?
Rachel.
Did I answer? No.
Okay.
Okay, so Friends is like very popular, so everyone would have watched it. But
Yeah, like
what are, according to you, which is the, very, what you say, unpopular but excellent show to watch, so that anyone who would want a suggestion could just see.
I would suggest. Wait, let me think.
Shouldn't think about it. Like when we decided it's going to be a Netflix segment.
I thought you would ask like these questions. Actually, I can't remember the shows I watched now.
That's so quiet, right? No one can hear it. I mean, seriously, you're so soft. Your voice is so soft that when I'm editing, it's like I just have to adjust all the volumes.
You can hear me?
Now that during editing, I'll have to lower that down, okay?
Okay, sorry. Sorry.
Plus, I'll have to go and just, do something to my ear now. Yeah, so as I had asked earlier, but we again went off topic. So, what movie, or no, sorry, not movie, show would you suggest to people?
I would suggest a movie now that you like.
I messed up
Yeah.
during the question. Okay, so now you can say a movie because I messed up in asking.
To all the boys. Like, it's.
The 3 movies.
Yeah, the 3 movies.
Which are in series.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, it's good. And it's famous too.
Yeah.
Which one was your favorite out of the 3?
The first one, because it was good, and the first one.
What was the second one?
The one with Peter Kavinsky and the second boy. I forgot his name.
Yeah, and then the third one was the college thing.
Yeah, the final. That means it had ended.
I just read this somewhere now, like they are going to start the same like series with Katie.
Wow, I would love to see that. Please do that. What
I-
is your favorite?
yeah.
Like,
I can't think of any to suggest someone.
yeah,
Like I have watched Netflix shows and movies and cartoons too on it. But now that someone has asked me, I can't think of any.
yeah.
It's like you always want something, and and on your birthday when someone asks you like what do you want, and you are like
It's like,
anything.
Yeah, kuch bhi.
Yeah, like whole week you are craving for something to eat, and then on weekend when you go to hotel, you are like kahihi sang mala चालेल.
मुझे कुछ नहीं चलेगा. Watch Shrek.
Shrek is so funny. I don't remember Shrek that like good, but I remember the donkey.
You are donkey.
I don't mind doing all the hard work.
Yeah.
Like donkey does all the hard work, and then at the end people use it as a reference to a dumb person.
No, I am telling you that specific donkey which was in Shrek.
Oh yeah, he was what? What was his characteristics?
He was like very. What do we say now? Interfering. Yeah,
He was
you are not
annoying.
that, yeah.
I'm not annoying. I'm annoying, but I don't.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, I just said myself. Whatever. So, yes, that's it for Netflix now.
Yeah.
Is it? Or do you have anything? Oh yeah.
What?
Never Have I Ever. Season 2 is
Oh,
coming
yeah,
up
it's coming.
soon. In July.
Oh God.
Baby
It's
Baby crows. So are you
Never Have I
excited?
Ever was really good. Yeah, I'm excited.
Season 1 was really good, but the
Yeah.
trailer it's kind of, I think it's going to be a little more childish than it was in season 1.
Yeah, because like
You got the point. If you have
Yeah.
watched the trailer,
Yeah.
you got the point.
because it's like I
It's
don't
kind
know.
of
like
it's kind of like, why would you do that
yeah,
thing?
seriously, like why?
And the dialogue that my mom doesn't tell me what to do.
Megan the
Stallion
Stallion
does.
It's
It's
like,
like, no.
nah.
Listen to your mom. Again, I would just like to bring the thing of podcast 2 in here, that do not watch your phone for too long.
Yeah.
Just do not. It's very harmful.
You.
But you
Why
can
are they
hear.
screaming?
Comment down below if you could hear some whistling and shouting, because there's a cricket game going on around here. I was like match, but it is a game going on and the people are shouting like crazy.
Why do you have to like use that accent?
No, like when you say crazy, you have to go like crazy.
Crazy. Okay.
Okay,
My
anyways,
voice is
again off topic.
Never have I ever was good. I hope season 2 is also.
I don't think so.
Hope. I said hope.
Yeah, you hope.
Shows really are good at first, and then when it comes to like,
like Riverdale.
oh god, don't it's just, oh, don't, like, the name Riverdale now pisses me, oh, what am I saying, pisses me off.
One of my friend right now is like really obsessed with Riverdale.
Who is that friend? Is she on season 2 only?
Yeah. Because the season 2 is only great.
Yeah, like,
I've stopped watching it. Who wants to watch
Yeah,
that
now-
kiddie show? Anyways.
yeah. Remember Ross? I don't know.
Ross?
Yeah, Ross. Like, anyways, the word you're searching for is anyways. Hey, you don't remember it? Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
I do. I was just like,
Yeah, I have seen it so
What?
much time. Which exactly what point? Like, yeah.
yeah, so. Okay. Peace.
Wow, what was this?
Peace. Just peace. Spread peace. I just went like peace. Actually, it's raining.
Yeah, it's raining. Like,
Okay, so
Okay.
that's it. Bye for the segment 1. We're
Well,
coming
it's
back
like-
in segment 2.
bye.
Now you will hear my favorite song in this whole entire world.
Time for segment 2.
10th boards, which is considered as some very important thing in our lives, in Indian society. It's like when a person is in 10th, it is difficult for that person to go in any function, not because he or she is busy in studying, but because the people keep on asking, oh, you are in 10th, there must be a lot of studies and all. And then there is also a lot of peer pressure and pressure for studying, and one is like, I should perform really well, the expectations and all those things. So me and my co-host are going to talk, is 10th board really that important, or is it just as normal as any school exam?
So this wasn't as smooth as the before one.
Yeah, I know, because we just decided we are going to talk on this topic like a few seconds before.
Yeah.
And so I just made this up in my head.
You have a very good brain.
I know.
I again talk very slowly. Yeah.
Yes, dude, please don't shout, but like be at a moderate voice level.
Okay, can you feel that this is moderate?
I do, but just speak clear. Also, I'm.
Yeah.
See, your yeah was like, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Not this, you are going to bleed their ears, okay?
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay. You sure you're not gonna put this, right?
No, I'm not.
Yeah, okay.
So, from the introduction, did you understand what the topic is?
Yes.
And, like, what are your views? Like, don't tell me your views, tell me the introduction. What would you add on to it?
I would add
No, like, I would add ki when I was in 8th and 9th and I used to go to some functions, people used to be like, oh, आता 1 वर्षानी, like after 1 year you have
अरे
10th.
1 वर्ष तर जगू दे.
After 2 years you have 10th. And that's how people think it's important.
Seriously, like it's not that important. Like I
mean,
get it.
it is important
Yeah, but-
because because you get a college based on that and then you choose your field. So it is important. But it's not something you need to be put a pressure on.
like 10th है ना 10th इथे क्या करते अभ्यास. Oh, why am I
Yeah,
talking
like-
Marathi too much?
Because these are some dialogues which we listen to.
And I don't know if people are watching this. Like many people are watching it. Like only our family and friends are, so like. Oh, okay. Sorry.
Yeah, even I think that like most of the people would be
Marathis,
Indians, Maharashtrians.
yeah.
And so that even like you guys can relate to what I'm saying, right?
Everyone can, but many people have passed 10th, or like yeah, they can relate because they had heard these dialogues before.
Yeah. So why do you think people have to put that pressure on someone for 10th?
I don't know, like only aunties does that, like does. Oh God.
No, that's generalizing people, which we don't want to do.
Yeah, but
In your case, that is the thing, but we can't generalize people based on that.
yeah, in my case it is.
See, for me, I would just like to say that like my parents are supportive and they don't pressurize even in tuition and school. I'm not at all pressurized for my 10th. For those of you who don't know, I'm in my 10th grade right now. Like just started, so I'm a little chill pill.
Yeah, cause our parents are good. Like if like other, there are some parents who are like those people only who like pressure everyone.
Yeah.
Like, and I'm like, oh God, all the best.
Like
for
one
that.
of my friend is like whenever I call her, she's like, can we talk later? I have some studying left to do. Like my mom is here, I can't talk, I have to study.
Like,
You have 24 hours, you get sleep of 8 hours, then you should divide equally, right?
yeah,
The
and
playtime and some time for relaxation and some time for studies. I can understand how important studies is, and like even I'm a good student, I would say. Like my grades are really good.
You are.
So even I study a lot, but it's not that lot that I get any kind of pressure.
Yeah, like yeah, and also many students go in depression because of that peer pressure, and then like also they have to know, like the students or like everyone has to know, because
it's just another normal exam of your
yeah.
life. Like, and if you have been like sincere for all the exams, you will be sincere for this exam too. You have like 1 full year, you can prepare yourself like nicely, giving the perfect amount of time, and then you can study. It's something not that big.
Like don't think like this is like another level exam or something.
Yeah.
Think it as a normal exam.
Yeah, and it's just another phase. It will pass on. Then you are in
Yeah.
12th. The next thing you will be worrying about is the 12th boards.
No one will ask about 10th then.
Yeah.
You'll be like 12th kasa hai?
Exactly. Yeah, so just chill. Just do everything sincerely. Study well.
Yeah.
That's it. Also, like, don't be like, 10th is just another like normal exam. I don't need
be
to study
like
that
2.
much. Yeah. Stay in the perfect amount. Yeah, so now we have a few study tips for everyone as well as for each other, because we don't discuss these topics earlier.
Yeah, we don't. Like
That's why there is a lot of editing and thinking. The
Corrections,
pauses we take
yeah.
are so big. Yeah, so study tip number 1. You tell first.
That study for specific hours. Don't study every day or don't study at all. Like Make a timetable.
Yeah, I love making timetables.
She decorates her timetable.
Yeah, I have like at the last day of the month, I take a paper, I just divide it, make it like calendar, and just write down what I have to do, and then just like a theme
Yeah,
I
it's
decorate.
good.
Like for June, I have
actually.
some little frogs on top of the calendar.
I remember last month it was sunflowers.
Yeah, it was sunflowers for May.
Yeah.
I don't know, but like summer and sunflowers go along
Yeah.
for me.
Sunflower.
Yeah, so that's tip number 1, that you should make a timetable and try to follow it.
Yeah.
Second is you should not force yourself to study anytime. You know, like you can take breaks if you're not feeling to study right now, because then even if you're studying for a
That
long
does
period of
not
time,
mean anything if
yeah,
you don't have a mood to study.
that won't mean anything. Plus it will just be in your brain for a few minutes and then it will just go, because you didn't want to, you had to. Just be like Phoebe.
I want. What was that?
I could, but I don't want to.
Actually.
Whatever. So
Yeah.
so tip number
3.
3, it is that I would just like to say that maths being a very important subject,
Yeah.
do maths for 45 minutes a day. That's what my sir told me, my
50
tuition
minutes
sir.
are good, okay?
45 minutes. This is for 10th, right?
Oh,
It's
yeah.
not for, okay, you
Yeah.
get the whole syllabus is there.
Okay. And listen to podcasts while doing maths.
If you want. If it's distracting you, then don't, of course. Everyone has a specific method of studying and you should just find yours. It's
Yeah.
not late. You can just like try different methods, and the one which works for you, just hold on to it.
Yeah. Like.
Also, you can change your environments. Not right now though.
But you have to like have that place for it.
That, yeah, you know, some people they get bored sitting in one place and then their concentration goes off. But some people are like, this is my study place and I can only study over here. What's with you?
No, I have to the first kind.
You are the
Like,
first kind.
yeah.
Like you have to change places.
Change places. I don't.
I am the second kind because I'm a person who binge studies. I don't take those gaps in between while studying. That
No.
doesn't work for me,
No,
because
it works
like
for
once, like I took a break, I take my phone and then I'm like, I'll do it tomorrow, and then just the procrastination cycle
the
works.
first kind. Like I need to take breaks, and I really need to have the mood. Like if you don't.
Like, for me, it's like if I binge study, like I start, the more I get involved, and I'm like, I shouldn't stop right now, or the link will get cut off.
Yeah, like that. But I need to have breaks. Or
Also, are
else-
you a person who studies at night or in the morning?
My mom doesn't allow me to study at night. I would love to study at night.
Well, my mom does allow me to study, but my mom's like, don't do it unnecessarily.
Yeah.
Already, because like I have very oily skin and acne prone skin, so it brings more acne. But like for example, yesterday I had a test, so on Friday I had to study till 3:30 or 4 something.
Yeah, I remember.
I like those study snaps. It kind of motivates me, but I'm not like the person who keeps on sending, like one of our
Dearest friend.
dearest friend.
Dearest friend.
Okay, so also color coding is one tip.
Yeah.
Honestly saying, there are many tips, but just do which is good for you.
For you. Yeah. Good for you. Okay.
No, that's not the kind of song we should have.
Yeah.
Okay, so I guess that's it for the like the school and tips and study tips. Just comment down below if you have some hilarious story about people asking you about studies and things.
Yeah.
And also you can comment down below what type of a person,
You are
yeah, the night study, morning study, or the
place changer.
place changer, or whatever, the one place person. And also if you like to binge study or take gaps.
Yeah.
And you can comment down below if you have any other tips so that other people can read it and also we can read
Yeah,
it.
we can read it.
Because again, we are not some experts, we are just two teenagers who are bored and like to talk
Yeah.
and put it on YouTube.
Yeah. Rubbish.
That's it for the podcast.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Like, comment.
Subscribe. Oh god.
I was going to say share.
Who shares YouTube videos?
There are people, but
there
please share if you can, because the views have been decreasing. We don't know what to do.
140. And I was like, huh?
I know, right? If this podcast gets at least 50,
Yeah.
we will sing a song in next one.
Yes.
Yeah, that's something like a goal for us.
Okay. 50.
Okay.
Only 50, like, not
Only
also
50
100.
likes. Okay, so bye.
Yeah,
Don't
bye.
spread hate.
Spread.
Pixie dust. Bye.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I wish you a nice week. THANKYEWW.